Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and disconnect from AnyDesk. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official AnyDesk application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you can do is go to the official AnyDesk website right here, anydesk.com, and from here you can start with downloading it. So once you've downloaded and installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started. From this main page, you can get started with setting up your connection. So you're going to see your address right here at the top of the screen that you can use for setting up your connections and connecting from a remote device. So once you've connected with a different device, you can see you have the invite button, you have the session right here to preview it, and so on. We can get started with connecting. So basically guys, all you need to do is just exit out of the application. Just click the X button right here in the upper right corner. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and close it out from here as well. You're going to see the AnyDesk application, which you can go ahead and right click and click quit. So once you go ahead and quit, you're going to go ahead and close that application and every connection is going to be dropped. But if you want to be sure nobody can connect to your PC anymore, you can go ahead and install it. On the official AnyDesk help page, you have the install website instructions right here, how to get started removing it from your PC, Mac, or whatever you're using. And this is how to get started with uninstalling AnyDesk and establishing connections. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.